guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look here. It is just my everyday makeup look, something that I can quickly put on and then head out the door. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyes with the No More Baggage by Dr. Brandt. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger. I'm just going to place it right under my eyes. Alrighty, and the foundation I'm going to be using is the Advanced Real Moisture by Touch and Soul. Looks like this. It's in the shade 23 Natural Beige. Do a couple of pumps of that. I'm just going to dab that all over my face. And then I'm going to blend that out with a beauty sponge. Alright, for concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just going to put a little bit of that underneath my eyes. And a little bit right on my cupid's bow, on my chin, and my forehead. And I'm just going to blend that out. Alrighty, and to set my face, I'm going to be using the Fit Me Matte Poreless Maybelline powder. Looks like this. And it's just the translucent powder. And I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. Total Face Brush. Just a big brush. Looks like this. Just going to put a little bit of that under my eyes. And all over my face. Next, I'm going to bronze with the Butter Bronzer Physicians Formula, and this is in the shade Light Bronzer. And I'm just going to be using this crown brush. It looks like this. It doesn't have like a number or doesn't say what type of brush it is, it just says crown on it. And I'll be taking that, I'm going to be putting that all over my forehead and on my cheeks. I'm going to be using the Note blush, and it is in the color Desert Rose. It looks like this. And I'm going to be using, to apply that, I'm going to be using this Luxie blush brush. Jeez, that's a tongue twister. Looks like this. And I'm going to just be putting a little bit of this on my cheeks. Now this Note blush you have to be very careful with because it is very, very pigmented. So it doesn't take much. Just gotta kind of rub that off a little bit on my wrist here and try to blend it out. And I think I'm going to do my eyebrows next, and for my eyebrows I'm going to use the Chella, I think is how you say it. It is, looks like this, Chella eyebrow cream. Comes in this. And it has a little brush, and I'm just gonna do my eyebrows real quick. Next, I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm going to be using the Milani highlight. And it is in Afterglow. Looks like this. And to apply it, I'm going to be using this oh, my words today. Luxie tapered highlight brush. Looks like this. And I'm just going to pop that little bit of that on the tops of my cheeks. My Cupid's bow, a little bit of my chin and forehead. Not much. And for eyes, I'm gonna do pretty simple, so I'm just gonna pop a little bit of this vintage Smokey eye pencil. I'm just gonna put a little bit at the tops of my eyes. Up in the water line. And then I'm going to put some mascara on. For mascara, I'm using this Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Looks like this. It's by Wonder of Beauty. Alright, and then to set my face, I'm going to be using the Morphe Setting Mist. So like this. I'm just going to put that all over my face. And then lastly is lips, and I'm going to be using this Milani Amore Shine Lip Gloss. Looks like this, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my lips. And there you go, all done. Simple little everyday makeup routine. But alright, well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!